Students, once again I welcome you. I have recorded this video to educate you about joining in the Google Classroom. You know I have created a Google Classroom. Purpose of creating Google Classroom to provide each and every material related with the physics at one place. Providing in WhatsApp is some sort of uh, no use, because after some days you have to scroll up, you have to find the related document. Either you have to make a folder in your mobile or computer, save it. But Google Classroom has many features where all the material is there. I am searching the material and selected material is uploading in Google Classroom. You need not to waste your time to select the material by yourself. This is time consuming process. And at the same time I am giving you assignment there. I am receiving your assignment. I am checking your assignment, giving you the grades, returning you the assignment with remarks to guide you about the improvement. And there is facility of interaction also. You can post any query. Teacher can answer, your classmate can answer. So lot of features are there, best features are there. There are two ways to join Google Classroom. First is through your mobile application. Go to Google Play Store, search Google Classroom application, download it. You need a Gmail account, put Gmail account and complete the formality. You will be there in the Google Classroom. Or another way is through a desktop or laptop. So I am showing you the process through desktop or laptop. For this you have to log in into your Gmail account, as I have logged in into my Gmail account. And here on right side, top side, you will see this is icon having all the application of Google. Once you click this icon, there are lot of applications are there. If you scroll down, you will see Google Classroom is there. Click Google Classroom. This type of window will open. You see here plus. So if you click this plus, you will have two options: join the class or create the class. As I have created, I am using different account to show you how you can join it. You click the join class. This will ask you your code. I have provided you the code in WhatsApp group. This code is P6PORBW. Put this code, click join. So when you join my physics online classes, this type of window will open. You will see a banner here. And in first page C, you can share your some query. You can ask anything. Please explain Coulomb's law again. If you put this query and click the post, this will appear here on your Google Classroom. Your any classmate can help you. Teacher will approach you. When teacher see this type of comment there, posting is there, this feature is there. Okay, so this first page opening, and in chronological order, this is showing the different activities. See, I have posted assignment yesterday. This is due by 27th April. This is the assignment. When you click this assignment, you will see the copy of the assignment, file of the assignment. These are the questions. Note down, or you can take the print of this assignment, solve it and upload it. You can upload your assignment. See, if you want to upload assignment, put please check I have uploaded assignment 4. and assignment 4, and click this add, search your file in your computer or your mobile, select it and upload it. You will be submitting your assignment. So before that, some student has responded, Kuldeep Kumar. Here one link I have uploaded, list of my videos, playlist of my videos. If you click this, see all the 9 videos which I have created are there at one place. You can click any one. If you click this latest video number 9, this will open and you can watch it, listen it, absorb it. See, video is open. Now it will play. So this is how the link is working. Another activity, I have uploaded many websites which give idea about the electric flux. Recently, Gauss law. I will be going to present a lecture in coming days on electric flux also. See, before that, on 16 April I have posted many links about the electric field, and I am right now I am taking classes of electric field. One more video is ready to upload. See, before that many activities. This I have uploaded this video of vector addition. See, vector addition of forces. This is a beautiful video. See, through animation, multiple charge system is explained. Application of Coulomb's law in multiple charge system.
Through this dynamic graph, we can see the vector addition of forces acting on the charges. That means the force acting on a point charges due to a system of a point charges is normally the vector sum of the individual forces.
So this video is showing how the Coulomb's law work in multiple charge system, and I have discussed in my lectures also. Or these videos will support to build up the concept. And you know, it took lot of time to search such videos and put at one place. So if you join the Google class, this time of searching some good videos, some material will be saved. I am doing it for you. See, Vijay Kumar responded, Anurag Sodhi responded. Students can respond, give their remarks here. See, link of study material. See, many links are there. Study material of some government official websites are also there. Some I have searched and uploaded their link here. You can directly click anyone and go to the corresponding website. See, online labs for the school. Here you can see many experiments, even physics, chemistry, biology also. I have uploaded this link, not only for physics, for other subjects also. See this. So many links I have uploaded, lot of material I have uploaded time to time. The students are responding. So why not? Now students, see, this is a time to study through online method till the school opens. If you are waiting for school to open, then you will start study. It means you are losing this session. So every effort I am doing. This is assignment number 2, uploaded on 11th April. See, concept of continuous charge distribution. There is video on Coulomb's law. Many links, many videos, material I have uploaded. See, NCERT book, complete book I have uploaded here, part 1. Any chapter you can open here. See here, chapter number 11, 15, 9, all chapters are there. Second book. This is first book. See, chapter number 1 is there. If you right click and open it, you need not to purchase the NCERT book. NCERT book is there. First chapter is there. PDF form open. You need not to purchase the books. To both the books are there, chapter wise. This is a link from where you can download other books also. See, these are the videos on electric charges. What is electrostatic charge? Electrostatic charges. Some videos there on static electricity.
Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. Check this out. How did I do that? What was going on there? Was it magic? No.
See, videos are there. I am continuously doing effort and uploading good websites which are useful for you, material and many things. Even I have supplied notes also. These many links are there. Notes are also there. If you go to this classwork, that was the day-to-day events which took place on the front page. This is compact list in classwork. See, complete material here available with the title also. NCERT books, free NCERT part 1 book, part 2 book, Khan Academy videos. See, chapter 1 notes. Here even I have provided chapter 2 notes also, I think. Chapter 1 notes. In this I have provided all three notes. Chapter 1 notes. Three file I have provided. See, this is the chapter 1 NCERT book, and this is first PDF file. "24 pages notes, authentic notes from approved sources." See all. This is the first copy of the notes. This is the second copy of the notes. See. This is third copy of notes. Everything is there. As my course is progressing, I am uploading the material as per the course. Not at a one time I am uploading all. Slowly, if you see, after some time, you will have a good bank of material. You can say this is more than a library for you. Video library, books, notes, everything will be there. So this is all you will find in classwork. Here in people you will know about your classmates. Teacher is providing you all the material, all the support, and still you don't think that you should join it. This is must important to join this Google Classroom. And I will be sharing here only because this is the right platform to share all the work. I don't want to waste my effort. So this is the right place. So I am sharing this video, and again I ask all the students to join it. Otherwise you will be lacking somewhere from other students. So best of luck, and make your mind that this is the way now left to study at home through these video lectures, video conferencing, and sharing material and write material. You need not to collect lot of material. You see, in my lectures I am focusing on NCERT, basic things, So that course also covers, and at the same time I am sharing other materials so that your concept builds simultaneously. So students, thank you very much for watching this video, and I have cleared you about how to join through desktop or laptop. Or process is very simple, and you students know everything. I need not to clear it again and again. You are more expert using these mobile and these technologies. I again request you join with the same code. I will change code tomorrow. So today join positively. Okay? Best of luck.